Welcome back to nutrition continuation lesson. My dear students, ఇప్పుడు వరకు చెప్పినంత విన్నారు కదా. మొత్తం ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మళ్ళా రీక్యాప్చులేషన్ లెసన్ చివరిలో ఏవి ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ అనేవి మళ్ళా రీక్యాప్చులేషన్ చేస్తాను. అయితే చూసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని షేర్ చేసుకొని కామెంట్ చేసి లైక్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడుతుందని నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను. అయితే మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొక టాపిక్ మిమ్మల్ని విసిగించకుండానే నీట్గా నిదానంగా చెప్తాను. టాపిక్ వైజ్గా అందులో ఉన్న ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు హౌ కెన్ యూ సే దట్ CO2 ఈజ్ ఎసెన్షియల్ ఫర్ photosynthesis? How can you say that CO2 is essential for photosynthesis? Let us discuss about that one experiment. That is, for this experiment, we should collect one of the potted plant, freshly potted plant. Keep this potted plant 3 days under sunlight. Why should we keep this potted plant 3 days under sunlight? Then sure to make sure that leaves are free from the starch. When we keep under sunlight, the leaves are free from the starch. Then starch is not there in the leaf. Now, on the day of experiment, so take one broad-mouthed transparent bottle. Broad-mouthed transparent bottle. Listen carefully. In that broad-mouthed transparent bottle, take some amount of KOH solution. What is the KOH solution? Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. So after that, this entire broad mouth is covered with one of the single splitting cork. Single splitting cork. On the day of experiment, select one of the narrow leaf. So insert the narrow leaf through the split into inner portion of the leaf. Inner portion of the leaf. So entire this setup keep inside the sunlight nearly 3 to 5 hours. 3 to 5 hours. After that 3 to 5 hours. So what will happen after that? Listen carefully. So before we are inserting the leaf into the bottle. So what contain the bottle? The bottle contain KOH solution. That means potassium hydroxide. Why should we keep the potassium hydroxide? Because of KOH have the ability to absorb the carbon dioxide. If any carbon dioxide is present in the leaf, that much of carbon dioxide will absorbed by KOH solution. Now detach the leaf from the plant and test with iodine or betadine test. Iodine or betadine test. Iodine or betadine test. When we are use the important iodine, iodine, iodine or betadine, iodine or betadine, iodine or betadine. These two are very very important. So when we test the leaf with the help of drops of iodine or betadine, the half of the leaf which is present outside of the bottle, the half of the leaf which is present outside of the bottle will converted into bluish black color. The outside of the bottle will converted into bluish black color because of the outside of the leaf only received 4 factors which is essential for photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, chlorophyll. But inner portion of the leaf received only sunlight and water and chlorophyll. received carbon dioxide. Why? Because inside the bottle, what is there? KOH solution is there. The KOH solution absorbs the carbon dioxide. Hence, here what is not there? Due to absence of the carbon dioxide, the inner portion will not converted into bluish black color. Which color? Bluish black color. Bluish black. Bluish black color. So based on that, we can say that for occurring of the for formation of the starch, there must be four factors are essential. So based on this, we can say that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. This is a very very important question. So in this, what they will ask is in a bottle, what solution they will use? KOH solution. Why they will use the KOH solution? To absorb the carbon dioxide. If you want to find out the starch, what type of chemicals will use, like that they will ask questions. Already you listen this experiment, then it is very easy to answer that questions. Now this is completed. Just now we are going to discussing about one more stuff. One more